Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. In this video, I'll be showing you how to add website to Google Search Console. The first thing you want to do, as you can see right here, this is a WordPress website. Once in the background of your WordPress website, you are going to scroll down and select Plugins, and you're going to tap on Add New. And the plugin that you want to download is Google Sitekit. As you can see it right here, I've already downloaded it. So you're going to tap on search right here, and you would type in Google Sitekit. And the beauty about it is, let me search for it real quickly. The beauty about this plugin is you'll be able to connect both your Google Search Console and you'll be able to connect any other thing that relates to Google. So you can also set up AdSense quickly. Everything that has to do with Google, you'll be able to set it up quite quickly. As you can see it right here. And once you have downloaded this plugin and activated it, the next thing that you're going to do is go onto Google Search Console, and you'll simply type in your domain name right here. You can add your domain name right here with the www. Or you could go, as I could go back right here and copy my domain name, and if it has the HTTPS before it, I would paste it right here, then tap on continue. And after tapping on continue, once you have installed Google Sitekit right here and activated it, once you have tapped on continue, it will automatically pick it up in the Google Search Console, and that's it. That's the easiest way I know to set it up. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. There are other ways how you could do it, but why not do it the quickest and easiest way? By downloading the Google Sitekit and then activating it with the same email address that you'll use with the Google Search Console.